Hey guys, d-piddy here. I'm gonna do my first sneaker unboxing. For those who follow me on Instagram, know that I collect sneakers. I don't have like a crazy, massive sneaker collection, but I think I have like a nice, humble sneaker collection. But I've had a lot of requests. A lot of people know I do unboxings, video games, and toys. But I got a couple of requests on Instagram and on Twitter asking like, hey, why don't you do like a sneaker unboxing? Because there's some sneakers of like the pop culture variety. There are sneakers that are inspired by anime. There are sneakers inspired by comic books, and of course there are sneakers inspired by video games. And what not better to do my first sneaker unboxing than the brand new Nike Air Max 97 Nintendo 64. I saw it on my Instagram feed for like a couple weeks, and I'm like, that is a really interesting colorway. And people were like claiming to call it the Nintendo 64 colorway because it shares a lot of the same colors of like the Nintendo 64 logo, but it wasn't like an official thing until they started showing some of the details. So this is the box. As you can see, it's a very ordinary Nike box. Right here, Nike Air Max 97 Quick Strike. And so I'm gonna open this up. Here, I'm gonna take out both of the sneakers. So here you go. These, wow. I haven't actually looked at this in person yet. I didn't open this up, but these look pretty snazzy. As you can see here, it has it's mostly covered in gray. It has the dark gray on the sole right here, and then you have the colors. You have red, you have green and some blue, and also some yellow on the bottom. There's also a pattern that goes across like the front here, and it goes around the side. That's pretty cool. Here's the bottom of it. Nike logo on the bottom. For anyone who has like a pair of Air Max 97s, it's pretty familiar on the bottom. Nothing too crazy, but the inside is what's really cool. So the inside is what has some really cool details. As you can see here, it says Air Max 1997. It's reminiscent to the ESRB rating. That is actually really cool. It's a really cool detail. So it's like that on both of the inner soles. So that's pretty cool. Also on the tongue, you could see power and reset. Actually really cool. Just like the Nintendo 64. So just like the Nintendo 64, there's a power switch and there is a reset button. So that's pretty neat. Also Nike logo on the laces here. And nice little details up here on the top with the dots. It's really unfortunate, like on the original pictures I saw that it said Air Max on the back in the style of like the Nintendo logo, like this, but it's not on here. So I thought it was gonna show that. Unfortunately, it's not the actual shoe, which kind of sucks. I was really looking forward to that. I don't know if like Nike had some licensing issues or whatever, but yeah, I was really looking forward to that detail. Overall, I think this is a pretty cool sneaker. For all you gamers who are also sneakerheads, I think this is a must cop. Pretty nice shoe, matches my outfit today. Also, it comes with some extra laces. It comes with blue, comes with yellow, red, and green. There's nothing else in here. I really dig these shoes. These are actually very cool. So I'm gonna put them on my feet, and then let's see how it looks like on my feet. Alright, so I put them on my feet. So these look pretty cool. Excuse my hairy legs. They're really comfortable. This is my third pair of Air Max 97s. So I do like how they feel. So overall, I really like the shoes. I'm pretty happy with this purchase. And now I'll close off this video with a better look at the shoes.
Ready?